Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are fine and liking my videos. Today we will continue chapter 8 of Geography, India's climate, vegetation and wildlife. Before that, do share this video with all your friends and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications. So coming to our point. First of all, we will do define the following. First one is Lu. What is Lu? Local hot and dusty winds blowing over northern India during summer. Then monsoon, the seasonal moisture landed winds arising from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Then coming to coniferous forest, forests found in mountain consisting of conical shaped trees. Then deciduous forest, forest with trees that shade their leaves during the summer season. Endangered species facing risk of becoming extinct. Then evergreen forest, forests that remain green throughout the year. Now coming to mangrove forest, tidal forest in the delta of the river. Then coming to H1, wildlife sanctuary, a reserve area that provide protection to wildlife. Now coming to question answer. Question first, which bring rainfall in India? Why is it so important? So the southern west monsoon winds bring rainfall in India. It is important because agriculture in India depend on the rainfall. A good amount of rainfall bring bountify and adequate crop. Now coming to question B, name the different seasons in India. The different seasons in India are cold weather season, or you can say winter, that is from December to February. Then coming to second hot weather season, that is summer, March to May. Then is southwest monsoon season, that is rainy season, that is June to September. And at last we have season of retreating monsoon, that is autumn, October to November, or you can say October and November. So what is natural vegetation? The grasses, shrubs and trees which grow on their own without the interference of or help from human being are called natural vegetation. Name the different types of vegetation found in India. So the different types of vegetation found in India are tropical evergreen forest, then tropical deciduous forest, thorny bushes, mountain vegetation and mangrove forest. Then coming to question E, what is the difference between evergreen forest and deciduous forest? So, difference between evergreen forest and deciduous forest is evergreen forest, they are so dense that sunlight does not reach the ground, and deciduous forests are not so dense. Second, they shade their leaves at different times of year. Evergreen forest, they and deciduous forest, they shade their leaves at a particular time of the year. Now, evergreen forests are found in the areas which receive heavy rainfall, and deciduous forests are found in a large part of a country. Then, important trees found in evergreen forest are mahogany, ebony and rosewood. Important forests found in deciduous forest are sal, teak, peepal, neem and shisham. Now, evergreen forests are found in Andaman and Nicobar Island, part of a northeast states and a narrow strip of the western slope of Western Ghat. These forests, deciduous forests, are found in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Orissa and in part of Maharashtra. Then coming to question F, Why is tropical rainforest also called evergreen forest? So, tropical rainforest always appears green and therefore it is also called evergreen forest. Now coming to question 3, take the correct answer. The world highest rainfall occurs in Mumbai, Asansol and Mawsynram, that it is Mawsynram. Wild goats and snow leopards are found in Himalayan region, Peninsular region or Great Forest, that answer is Himalayan region. During the southwest monsoon period, the moisture landed wind blow from sea to land. Now coming to question 4, fill in the blanks. Hot and dry winds known as Loo blow during the day in the summer. Then coming to the state of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu receive a great amount of rainfall during the season of retreating monsoon or autumn. Then coming to C, Gir Forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lion. Now beta, we will do the map work. On the map of the India, you have to show the following places. Any two tiger projects, the home of Asiatic lion, Gir Forest in Gujarat, any two national park in Uttarakhand, a wildlife sanctuary in Assam, Kaziranga, any two bird sanctuary, any one biosphere in Tamil Nadu, and the home of the Royal Bengal tiger. So as I have done the map work, you will do the same. Okay. Now as you can see, this is the outline map of India, and now we have to show any two tiger projects. So beta, any two tiger project, as you can see, are first Rajaji and second Corbett in Uttarakhand. Okay, then what you have to show? You have to show the home of Asiatic lion, or you can say Gir Forest in Gujarat. So this is the Gir Forest in Gujarat, where the Asiatic lions are found. Then you have to mention any two national park in Uttarakhand. So first is Valley of Flowers, you can see, and then Nanda Devi. They are the two national parks in Uttarakhand. Then you have to mention a wildlife sanctuary in Assam, the Kaziranga. So this is the Kaziranga National Park. Then any two bird sanctuary. So Bharatpur and Rangnathu. Okay. Then you have to mention any one bioreserve in Tamil Nadu, that is Nilgiri Bioreserve. And at last you have to mention the home of Royal Bengal tiger. So this is the place where Royal Bengal tiger are found. And beta, while denoting or marking the place, please mention the index also, so that you can, anybody who is watching your video or watching your copy can easily see that whatever the things you have marked with sign. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.